So this is it right here. This is how I did it. This is a eBay piece. First part is gonna be a 37 millimeter fork clamp. You guys can see it right there, what it looks like, and it goes right on top of the bottom triple tree clamp. And this bolt right here doesn't come with the setup. It's just like a regular hardware store bolt, and it's got to be just long enough to come down, and it actually touches the bottom of the triple tree, so it stops right there, which gives the end of the shock a little bit of play. So the shock is 330 millimeter, and it's adjustable right here. This is the adjustment. Tighter makes it stiffer, and then makes it softer going the other way. And it comes with this piece right here, and this piece right here. So what I did basically, if you look in there, you can see where the horn is. I just see if we can see good right there, that bolt. I just lose the horn